Simply Saffron by Pooja Sil, and I'm Pooja. And today I'm going to share with you a Thai recipe, and it's not pad Thai or it's not the green curry or the red curry. It's the Massaman curry, which is I would say it's a blend of the Indian and Thai curry because it has all the spices of the Indian recipes and the Thai spices too, and the both blend together in a beautiful curry which is called the Massaman curry. And so let me show you how. Start with the Massaman curry powder. We are going to use 2 teaspoonful of coriander seeds, and then we are using like 6 to 7 green cardamom, and then we are going to use 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and few cinnamon sticks. And then I'm using galangal. This is a dried slice of galangal because I don't have fresh ones. You can obviously use the fresh ones too. And then I have few cloves in here, and then I have 1 flower of mace and few nutmegs and about 2 to 3 dried red chilies. So we are going to first transfer this to the pan, and then we are going to dry roast them. So we are going to heat this up, and then we are going to dry roast it, and then we are going to grind them together. So you can see I have already roasted, so I'm going to cool it and then grind it together as a powder. So once cooled, this is how it looks after grinding. So we are going to keep it aside and follow to the next step. So in this hot oil, I'm adding about 1 cup of sliced onions, just roughly sliced. So, and to that we are going to add about 7 to 8 chopped garlic, and we'll saute it for a few minutes. And then we are going to add about 2 inches of ginger where I've sliced it, again roughly sliced, because we are going to grind this together once this mixture is cooled. So we'll again saute it, and once it is softened, then we are going to cool it and grind them with the dry spice powder. Now to the next step, we are going to brown the chicken thighs. So I've taken 6 chicken thighs, and we have cut each thighs into like 3 pieces, and I have added salt and pepper to it. So once one of the sides of the chicken is brown, we are going to turn it and brown the other side too. Now once we have browned all the chickens, we are going to take it out. So here it is. Now in this we are going to add the grinded onion and the dry spice mixture. I have mixed both of them together and grind them. And so now I'm going to add it to the hot oil. And we're going to saute it for a few minutes. Add a little bit of water so that the spice doesn't get burned. After sauteing for a few minutes, we are going to add the chicken to it, the brown chicken. So we'll cook everything together. Then I'm going to add salt as per your taste, and again mix them together and cook for a few minutes. Then once you see you can see the oil is separating out from the spice mixture, this is the time when you add the liquid. So we are going to add about 2 cups of coconut milk, and to that I'm going to add lemongrass paste. Now this is a store-bought one, you can make it on your own too. This is about 2 teaspoonful of lemongrass paste. I didn't have fresh lemongrass in my store, so I'm using the lemongrass paste. This works fine. So we are going to mix everything together, and we are going to cover it and cook for a few minutes. Let it simmer. And once this is cooked, then I'll show you how it looks, whether the chicken has softened, and you can see it's cooked, but it still has a lot of liquid in it. So at this point, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can use palm sugar or brown sugar or jaggery or just plain sugar. This gives a little sweetness to the curry. So we'll let it cook for a few more minutes and let the liquid reduce. So here it is, your Massaman curry. It's done. So you can see beautiful color it has. So now I'm going to add a zest of a kaffir lime, but if you don't have kaffir, that's fine. You can just add a normal lime zest. It just adds a citrusy flavor to the curry. So we'll mix it, and then I'm going to show you how you serve it. So I have some rice in here, and I'm just ladling it on the plate. It's rich gravy. It smells so good in here. And I'm going to add some lime slices just for decoration, and some green chili slices and some cilantro just to add color. So here it is, the Massaman curry. You can see beautiful color it has, the rich coconut milk and the red chili and all the spices. Everything has made it such a rich gravy in here, and it just smells so good. So here you go, your Thai Massaman curry is ready to be served, and you can see how succulent the chicken looks, and the gravy or the sauce with the spices, it just smells awesome here. And serve it with a bowl of white rice, and I would recommend to get a very aromatic rice like a jasmine or a basmati rice, because these two they go together really great. And like here, it smells like awesome. So I'm sure you're going to make this soon. And please do subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. And don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications whenever I post a new video. And keep on watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.